Ito, ang mga crazy NBA moment.
This is for the win. We've never seen anything like that. And misses the jam. Oh, he missed it.
Simulan natin kung paano pinag-teleport ni Draymond Green ang bola.
He plays with a lot of swag.
Wait lang. I-rewind natin. Paano napunta kay Klay Thompson yung bola? Magikero din pala tong si Draymond. Kagaya na lang ni Paul George. Dahil naipasok nito ang isang napakahirap na 3-point.
Off the mark. Loose ball. And they get another possession. He threw up a... Oh! I can't believe it went in! That was spectacular. Absolutely spectacular.
Talaga nga namang swerte. Sa susunod na clip, panoorin naman natin ang fastest 3-pointer sa kasaysayan ng liga.
Is up Donovan Mitchell and Garland, Darius Garland, right from the top.
Wow! Look at Buddy Hield.